itself is a 2 days program. Now, monochronics, they call it, these are the people are very particular about time. They are very much focused on task first, relationship second. You deal with them, it's like Germans, Japanese, Chinese, Koreans, Americans. They are very, so it's not what you say. It's not how you say. What you say is okay. That means I can tell you direct. Boss, you're wrong. This is bullshit. Normal. American culture is like that. 80% of the economy they control because they believe time cannot be recycled. They are more tasks. Sometimes they're too focused on tasks, people cannot breathe. Relationship second. They are like robots. They are very successful. They control the world economy. Australia, Japan, Korea, China, you can see. Singapore, suffocating. Singapore, people are too much task, there is no relationship. People are, Singaporeans are not happy. Yes. Cannot breathe. But profit is there. Sorry to say, mostly, sorry, I'm not saying that one, but it's Chinaman company mostly. I have Chinaman friends who study in Western countries. They don't want to work for Chinaman company because they are too much task oriented. There is no relationship. Do or die. That's why modern Chinaman companies like YTL, Vijaya Group, right? Their children all study in Western countries, they try to bring it. But they are profitable, but cannot breathe. Profit, but cannot breathe. Okay? Now, another one, polychronic. Polychronic time can be recycled. This one very less sensitive. This one, time that is today never do, tomorrow can. Esok masih ada. They are more relationship focused, task less. Their minds, they look monochronic, they come for the meeting, they come on time. Polychronic, they will tell you, hey, I want to come at 9 o'clock. But what happened on the way? I saw a cat, and the cat was drunk. So I was carrying a miniature vodka, I gave it to her. And we went, and also I had one, and we got drunk together and come back. And I bought nasi lemak. And I bought nasi lemak inside sotong was not enough. Actually, I ordered kara and gave me sotong. They give excuse. They have serious problem where doctors cannot solve. They have acute excusitis. Acute excusitis, that means no doctor can cure. They are acute excusitis. Penyakit alasannya tidak boleh, no doctor can solve. Even Barnes Jewish kan. So the event. Now, this group, they don't control economy. They are more relationship. Very sensitive. Tersentak. Tak boleh terima teguran. Have I answered your question? See, behind the culture, very sensitive. Politics a lot. Because cannot solve the problem, they talk behind. These fellas, they cannot work. They're not happy with the company, they don't talk. They quit and resign. See, Chinamen, I notice, they are not happy with you, they quit and go. But the others will create vicious politics. I'm sorry to say, I'm not mentioning you. Can you get it? That's why I said it. Orang Melayu macam mana? Jangan orang Melayu kat mana? Sini ke sini? Wow, orang Melayu. Sebab kenapa? Budaya you budaya berkias. Di tempat kerja boleh berkias tak? Bercinta boleh. Contoh bayangkan, what's your name? Suhaimi tanya saya, bos, Pak Salim, aku ada masalah, nak E atau B? Saya tahu Suhaimi layak. Saya baca pantun. Boy kaduk. Pokok kaduk tumbuh di tepi rimba. Panjang jambut datuk, buat tali timba. Bagi bos. Cakap, you know, it means you want to be creative, right? In America, you want to marry a woman, you said, I want to marry you. But here in Malaysia, in other, see, polychronic culture like Thai are the most sensitive. Indonesia, Thai is most sensitive. You cannot scold them. You cannot just say, oh, they get sensitive. So you can see their economy is bad. South America, Middle East, Africa. When I go Sabah and Sarawak, they are most sensitive. You want to ask them questions, they cannot answer. They are praying. So my friend tell me, you go Sabah, you slow down, use a Perodua. Because I'm Ferrari. That's why cultural competence can. Majority Malays are like that. Your boss, if an Asian boss ever tell you he's open-minded, bullshit. When a white man say open-minded, that's the truth. Because Asian culture got front stage culture and backstage. You are with your pet. You know, the Germans, I told them how to do, because I was teaching them how to do this business with Taiwanese. The Germans are front and the back say, But you Asians like that. You are in the office, you come and show Starbucks. But with your parents, you're very scared. You never talk. Betul? Elders, right? With your community, you go to the temple, you go to the mosque, you never talk. But in front, you got many rules. But the Americans are Europeans, they don't have many rules. They're straight. Are you with me? I've answered your question. See, now you know. Kena tahu apa yang tersirat. So, Filipino pun sama. I had a Filipino mate. Same. Cannot scold. She told me, boss, you don't scold me in public. Scold me in private. So, apa nak marah? Termarah. I kata, kenapa macam nangis? Okay. Next. One more. No, okay, everyone. Okay, done. Okay, let's go in. Yeah, here. Blame culture. Blame culture from what? Top to down or below to up? Among staff or among HOS? HOS, huh? So it's a blame culture. That means the culture is very common in Malaysian companies to blame others. We always ask who did it. We don't ask what happened. So how? So it goes all the way. You have structural issue. Your structural issue, deep structural issue that you cannot see. Culture is invisible. It's structural. Cultural structure. What else?
Not teamwork.
Normal?
Not teamwork.
Okay, so okay done. No teamwork. Okay. Are you Japanese? You sound like Japanese, no? Okay, sure. No Japanese. Okay, sorry. Okay, let's go at the back. At the back.
No teamwork.
No teamwork. Okay, come on there. Anything else?
Attitude.
Attitude very subjective. Can you? I'm scientist. I need to know specific what it is. Their attitude, our attitude, why they're behaving like that is because management has a strong attitude. Management are not transparent. Management are not. What is this? What attitude? Can you define it? Tidak apa. Who's tidak apa attitude? The bosses tidak apa. Tidak apa lah. Okay, what else? Bosses lah, bosses. Okay, what else? Sudden? Favoritism. Siapa yang favoritism? Staff kata ada favoritism, betul tak? But is it true or not? We don't know how true it is. We have to put down and we have to sit down and analyze it. Favoritism is very subjective, isn't it? Human being kita suka kadang-kadang we like some people, you know, and people can see. Yeah? So these are some of the things. Alright, Gopi, yours. So now you know why Malays are very sensitive. Sebab dia tak boleh direct. Orang Melayu kena hias sikit. So saya, because I'm not Malay, I'm dan lain lagi. So the Malays. But today, if you are Germans and Americans, I talk straight. Chinaman company, I talk straight. No, because Chinese are less sensitive. They can talk everything. So I know which I'm talking. But Celcom is a Bumitra company. When I was teaching the middle managers, open talk, they even use 4-letter word to share. They're very, because the leadership, German. So depend which company I deal with. Very Bumiputra type, okay. Some I go very holy, they will act very holy. So I show very holy.